We are cracking 2021 Gold Rush Trifecta Baseball 1-box eBay break. December 6, 2021. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got Kevin, MELCHISEDECH with the Pirates, Rangers, and Nationals. The Bashtone 13 with the Rockies, Angels, Phillies, Blue Jays, Twins, and Padres. Packy 328 with the Indians and Rays. Rojo 548326 with the Braves and Red Sox. PATKOC 86 with the Cardinals. Big Man 021271 with the Mariners. Shipley Baldwin 24 with the Giants. Mr. Davey 25 with the Mets and Yankees. Mako 34 with the Athletics. Battleship 706 with the Cubs, Royals, and Reds. CACY 12 with the Astros and Dodgers. JOSBR_3803 with the Brewers. CHA-Cart with the Marlins. Coach Mongo with the Tigers. Rex 102468 with the White Sox. ROBOBABA with the Orioles. Big Man 021271 also with the Diamondbacks. That is your full lineup. Okay, we got your box here. 2021 Gold Rush Trifecta Baseball. We've got 3 autographed memorabilia pieces in this box. Autograph baseball, autograph jersey, and an autograph 16 by 20 photo. So bear with me here while I get the box open. It's a pretty large box. All right. Packing material out of here first. And let's slide this over just a little bit here. We got our autograph baseball here. Our autograph jersey. And let me get the photo out of here. And there is our photo. Oh, I think I might have bumped the camera there. Hang on one second, guys. Yep, bumped the camera a little bit. Let me fix that real quick. All right, my apologies there. Kind of try KOing the camera. Okay, our autographed baseball. Got a Beckett COA on there, and auto's on there somewhere. There it is. There's our auto. That is Mr. Wilson Contreras. Very nice Wilson Contreras autograph baseball. That's going to be going to the Cubbies. Cubs owned by Battleship 706. Congrats. Very nice Wilson Contreras autograph baseball. Cubs strike first. Okay, and here's our autograph jersey. Beckett COA. Auto right there. That is, oh, Chris Taylor. Chris Taylor autograph jersey, Dodgers. So Chris Taylor autograph jersey for the Dodgers. Dodgers owned by CACY 12. Congrats. Very nice. Chris Taylor autograph jersey. Very nice. Okay. So Dodgers and Cubs there. Now we got our photo here, guys. 16 by 20 photo. These are really nice. So let's go ahead and get this open. All right, here we go. Autograph photo time. Good luck, everybody. Oh, jeez. Bumping everything today. There we go. Okay, there's our autograph photo. Here is our autograph photo. PSA DNA COA. There's your auto right there. These photos are so nice. Yeah, that's Stan Musial autograph photo. It's going to be going to the Cardinals. Cardinals. Nice Stan Musial autograph photo. PATKOC 86. Congrats. It's a very nice Stan Musial autograph 16 by 20 photo. These are so nice. Beautiful photo there. Such a beautiful photo. So the Cardinals with the Stan Musial autograph 16 by 20 photo. So Cardinals on the photo. Dodgers on the Chris Taylor autograph jersey. And the Cubbies on the Wilson Contreras autograph baseball. So 3 beautiful autograph memorabilia pieces there, guys. Great break. Cardboardhobby.com. Dugan1640 on eBay. I want to thank everybody so much for your support. I really, really do appreciate it. Once again, we've got a beautiful lineup scheduled all week long, so please don't miss out on those. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Please be smart. Be safe out there.